got to pick up and take it over to Pigeon Forge. Not really sure what's going on with it. Wasn't a whole lot of description going on with it. But anyway, we will see you here in a few.
Where are we picking this up at?
Where are we picking it up at?
No.
We are, I think it's police impound. We're picking it up Tahoe. So it was not going to get them to their location where
Which
they
is
wanted. Which is what?
A shop, Firestone shop or something.
Firestone.
In between IHOP and
Wendy's. I didn't know there was a Firestone over there.
I think it's just, I don't know if it's just I don't know.
Not sure.
IHOP and Golden Corral and Wendy, I don't know. It was confusing to me.
Yes. Gatlinburg Police Impound.
Yeah. I don't know if we can record, so.
Yeah, so we'll just get down here and pick it up, and then we'll get it when we drop it off.
Yup.
Okay. Alrighty. Yep. We're not too far from it right now, so.
In 6.1 miles, turn left onto Dolly with it.
Okay.
I just want to make sure I know y'all know where to go, and I just want to make sure everything's good.
Yeah. Yeah, if we have any problems when we get there, I'll call you and let you know.
Okay. The only thing is if you have to drop it on the back side of the motel and I'll parking lot, that's fine too.
Okay. Alrighty.
So, but all I know is he said if you can drop it where it's sloped down at the end of our parking lot, and I was like, he knows.
Okay. Alrighty.
I just want to touch base.
Okay. Yeah, I appreciate that. Yeah, we're probably about 15 minutes from there, so.
Okay. As soon as that taxi gets here, we'll get in and head that way.
Okay, sounds good.
Okay. Thank you.
All right, thank you.
All right. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Thanks for just letting us know that she's still waiting on a cab. I guess they tried getting an Uber, and they said no Uber's available. They waited for about 10 minutes, so we gave them a number to a cab, and they said they didn't have any drivers available, so.
It's Friday.
It's Friday. It is Friday. The officer took him to Food City, hoping that maybe they could get him out of the weather, because the wind is crazy down here.
Do they have a covered thing at the trolley?
Yeah, and plus they could wait down there at the trolley. If nothing else, they could catch a trolley ride. I mean,
That's what he said.
that's what the officer was saying. Maybe they catch a trolley ride if nothing else. Might take a little bit longer, but
Yeah.
it'll still be a ride.
She don't need to be there. I told her that. Just drop
Yeah.
it. We already done the paperwork.
Yeah, we already done the paperwork and stuff, so. But yeah, just one of those deals. It broke down on them in a bad spot, and they left it. So they got picked up and taken to the impound, and I guess the blew top radiator hose would have done. So yeah, they kind of leave you stranded. They said they shut it off pretty quick.
Well, they were in the road.
Yeah, they left it in the road, so yeah, police are going to pick that up
Yeah.
pretty quick. So, went to the impound, and then they called them, so. I guess she's been on the phone with the insurance all morning trying to get them to get somebody to come pick it up. They finally got hold of us. It was this afternoon when they got hold of us to pick it up, so.
Yep.
Yeah, we'll run it over here to where they're staying. I guess where we're staying at.
As a motel.
Yeah. I don't know what it's called.
Briarwood.
Briarwood?
I don't know. We'll see.
Firestone? I thought she said Firestone.
I could have sworn she said Firestone.
Yeah.
And I'm like, okay.
But anyway, they said it was good if they parked at the end of their lot. So that's what we're going to look for. Try to put it at the end of the lot so they can put a radiator hose on it. And it seemed like when I got in it to tie the steering wheel, the battery was dead. So I bet they left their flashers on and it is dead. So hopefully somebody can give them a jump. I would jump it and let it run for a little bit, but with no coolant and a radiator hose busted, that's a recipe for more trouble.
Easy as to.
Yeah, overheat, ruin engine, anyway, hopefully they get this thing squared away and they can be back on the road again. But we're going to get it over to their spot and drop it off. So we will see you when we get there.
Of course, it's raining. Looks like you're good. I got it. Where?
Antifreeze on it.
Yeah, I smelled it too. Alright, drop it. Put her keys in the floor, man. Oh, there ain't no floor mat, whatever. That's nasty. Already did it. Hold that way. Put off my gloves. Yeah.
Alright, let's get out of here. Alright. Well.
Soaked.
Yeah.
And of course it stops almost.
Got water all over those. The people, I think, I don't know if they thought we were after the truck or what, because they kept running out there.
Oh, probably.
Afraid I was going to hit it or something.
A seatbelt. Oh, I'm soaked. Okay.
Mama just gets right out there and gets at it, don't you?
Timing.
Yes, she's quick. She is quick.
Look.
I'm just thinking, I'm sorry. But yeah, we got that one dropped off, and it looks like might be a little bit wet. You can't tell, but yeah.
Sorry,
I don't
we're
know.
distracted because
I'm distracted because there's somebody over here.
anytime.
Anytime's over here picking up an anytime truck. That's what I'm sitting here looking at, so
Okay.
sorry. But anyway, yeah, we got her dropped off. They wanted in the back of the parking lot on that slope. We figured out what she was talking about. Little bitty spot.
Yeah.
But I'm sure she'll call back here in a little bit when they get almost here and let us know that they're close. But we got dropped off. It's no big deal. Hopefully they can get out there and fix their car and have it back on the road. So, do you have anything, Mom?
Nope.
Nope. Alrighty. Make sure to like, subscribe, comment, check out our merch. As she says, merch, not the store. Check out our shop.
Good Lord. Help me.
Yeah, we have t-shirts and stickers and everything, so you can sticker up your truck or your boats and toolboxes and TVs and everything else. And we have a t-shirt to wear. And try to stay dry, and we will catch you on the next one. In the tow truck again. Here I am.
Thank you.